Regit is a digital garage for car owners. Car owner would input a registration number into our platform, create a personalised garage where effectively we help you buy, we help you sell, we help you maintain, and we keep you legal. What Regit in its digital garage format has allowed us to do is effectively help car manufacturers and dealers with data, insight, intelligence, and effectively allow us to have a single customer view over the whole car ownership of a car owner. The whole of the Glasshouse ethos and the innovation, the kind of businesses here, that you just never know the opportunity that just by chance meeting somebody over a coffee, over an event, you just never know what kind of partnerships you might be able to form. What we've seen post-pandemic and starting to come back into the office, flexible working provides such a better balance. Getting up in the morning and knowing you're coming to a place like this, because you've got so many facilities. You've got a village pub, we have a gym, we have tennis courts, we have five-a-side, we have country walks. You know, there's something for everyone here. You don't have to be stuck in the office. You can sit in the booths or one of the private meeting rooms. Having that sort of flexibility and that sort of opportunity is wonderful. And I think we're very, very lucky to be here, and I think the staff realise that as well.